Hi there, I'm excited to talk to you a little bit today about peptides. What are peptides? They are a strain of amino acids that are in a chain that basically tell your body to reproduce more of whatever that is. Because here's what happens. Each year that we get older past 20, we lose more and more of things like NAD, collagen, GLP-1, it starts to deteriorate. So you've got to put those back into your body so that they start to function properly. You don't have to feel awful in your midlife. You can actually feel amazing. I'd love to share with you today a little bit about NAD, which is cellular regeneration. It's a peptide that helps you to age backwards. You're going to see a difference in your skin. You're going to see a difference in your hair, your energy levels, reducing inflammation in your body. A lot of my clients text me and say things like, wow, my rings fit again. My shoes are loose. My hair's looking amazing. I don't have as many gray hairs as I used to. The wrinkles on my face are going away. But not only to mention that, but also memory, mental health, and your sleep will all get better from NAD. So if you want to learn more, reach out to me at holisticwomenhealth.com.